Hey there, welcome to this JavaScript Fundamentals session. Today, we'll tackle a cool problem, finding common elements between two arrays after applying a transformation function. This will help you understand higher order functions and set usage in JavaScript. Let's jump into the code and explore how it works. We are not comparing row values directly. Instead, we use a function like mathflow to transform values from both arrays before comparing them. In our example, 2.1 and 2.3 both flow to 2, making them a match. This function uses a set to store transform values of array B. Then it filters array A, checking if each transformed element exists in that set. Simple, efficient, and very readable. This process is elegant. First, we prepare a set of transform values from the second array. Then, we go through the first array and only keep elements whose transform value appears in that set. In this example, mathflow 2.1 equals 2 and mathflow 2.3 also equals 2. So we keep 2.1. 1.2 flows to 1, which does not appear in transform B values, so it is excluded. This type of logic is used in real-world scenarios like fuzzy searches, using input filtering, or when matching data from two systems with slightly different formats. That wraps up today's lesson. By combining transformation functions with array methods, you can solve problems in creative and efficient ways. Experiment with different functions like mathseal, to lowercase, or custom ones to fit your needs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.